In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise old man named Adam. He was known throughout the village for his wisdom and the valuable life lessons he shared with those who sought his guidance. One sunny morning, a young villager named Emma approached Adam with a heavy heart. She had been carrying a burden of worries for a long time, and it was hurting her a lot. She said to Adam, "I can't sleep at night, and I can't focus during the day. My worries are like a heavy weight on my shoulders." Adam nodded in understanding and told her to follow him to the nearby river. They stood by the riverbank, and Adam handed Emma a small pebble. "Hold this pebble in your hand," he said, "and keep it with you throughout the day." Emma did as she was told, keeping the pebble tightly in her hand. By the end of the day, her hand was sore, and she felt exhausted. She returned to Adam, and explained how the small pebble had caused her a lot of discomfort. Adam smiled and said, "Worries are like that pebble. When you hold on to them for too long, they start to feel heavy, and they can weigh you down, just like the pebble did today. The weight doesn't matter unless you hold it for a long time." Emma's eyes widened with realization. She understood the message Adam was imparting. The worries that she had been carrying were like that pebble, growing heavier and more burdensome as she clung to them. From that day on, Emma decided to let go of her worries. She realized that she couldn't change the past, and she couldn't control every aspect of the future. She focused on living in the present, addressing challenges as they arose, and releasing the burdens of what she couldn't change. Over time, Emma's life improved. She felt lighter, more at ease, and her days were filled with greater joy and purpose. She understood that the key to a peaceful and content life was to let go of the worries that, if held onto for too long, became unbearably heavy. The wise words of Adam and the lesson of the pebble remained with Emma for the rest of her days, and she shared this wisdom with others, helping them to let go of their worries and find the peace and happiness they sought. The story of Emma and the pebble teaches us that worries, like burdensome pebbles, can grow heavier when held onto for too long. To find peace and happiness, it's essential to let go of the worries that we cannot control. Embracing the present, addressing challenges as they arise, and releasing the weight of the past and the future can lead to a more content and joyful life. This story reminds us that we have the power to choose how we carry the weight of our concerns and that the key to tranquility lies in letting go of what we cannot change. Before you go, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Your support is what keeps this channel thriving. And check out our previous stories. Share your favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. We love hearing from you.